Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A couple of workflow updates related to community and more specifically the gamification of your communities. So in case you didn't know, obviously you can build communities, right? And there's a gamification element where users, if you click on here, you can see users can gain points from, let's say they comment on someone else's post or they create their own posts. And for each like, I think it was likes, yeah, for each like they get, they receive a point, right? And there's like, they can go through levels, and based on those levels, you can kind of, I don't know, give them access to more things or whatever, but also it's like a competition in between all the members, right? It's like an extra incentive to kind of participate more, get more points. And there's, at the bottom here, there's a leaderboard for the weekly one, the 30-day one, all time. So that's kind of a cool thing. But yeah, now in the workflows, you can have, there's a new trigger for this, and there's also a new action. So let's go check both of those out in the workflows. Let's just go to, in workflows. So when it comes to the trigger, so the trigger is for when the level has changed, when somebody has reached a specific level. Let's say in this case, level 4, right? So that's going to be the trigger. And then let's say we can send them an email, we can give them access to something, there's all kinds of things, right, we can do. And the trigger was called, let me check my notes, Community Group Members Leaderboard Level Change. It's quite a few words, but yeah, you specify the group is the specific group, right? And add filters. Level is, so in this case, as I mentioned, level 4. They reach level 4, whatever the action is. We grant them access to something, or maybe they get access to a private group. We send them an email, right? Since they've been really contributing, maybe there's some sort of extra actions we can take because they're the more active members of community, and yeah, we can engage with them. So yeah, that's the trigger. And as for the actions, let's click on here. We can grant points. So let's say there's a trigger, something happened. Let's say they purchased something or whatever, right? We can grant points not only by them receiving likes, like over here, right? We can now kind of automatically grant them points for some other, whatever the triggers are. And this one is called Grant Community Group Leaderboard Points. So whatever the trigger is, we can grant them, let's say, 6 points for the activity, right? And obviously we need to specify the group over here. So this is kind of, the trigger is more based on levels, and this specific action for communities, this is based on points. We can grant them any amount of points. It can be 1 point, it can be 100 points, it can be whatever. And yeah, depends on what the trigger is also. Let's say they purchased a course or whatever, and that gives them a bump in the community, right? So, whatever your reason might be, you can do that here now. So let's go back. And yeah, as I mentioned before, it's under workflows over here. But if you have any questions about this or anything else Funneltopia related, click on down below. Funneltopia support chat, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But if you don't have any questions, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.